Welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. So this is a end of trip summary of what was done this time. Let's go. So I hauled a pretty decent little chunk of that spoils that were left from the last trip. Built one leaky weir that I still need to shoot just to make sure it's level up there on the road. Hauled about 25 loads of material with the dump trailer up there. Made these fenced in areas right here. These are mainly for the moringa. There's 2 moringa planted here. And then I planted a variety of other types of plants. We'll see what comes up by the end of the monsoon season. Let's go take a look at that other one over there. Planted 1 moringa there, but I've got spaces for 3 more where those boards are stubbed up. And then made these raised beds. Planted a variety of things in there. We'll see what comes up. Let's go on the other side of the pond real quick. Planted 9 more trees. We've got 3 English walnuts. Let's go walk and see how they're looking one last time. So that one looks good. This is the one that had the leaf burn in the back of the truck, you know, doing 65 miles an hour for 700 miles. I think it looks pretty decent. This one was in the back of the truck as well, but the leaves weren't butted out enough that they could get beat up by the wind very bad, so it looks pretty good. So 3 English walnuts, 3 Mission Texas almonds. They looked really good the whole time. Of course, they got to ride in the cab of the truck where they didn't get beat up by the wind. And 3 Chinese chestnuts. This is the only one I'm kind of worried about. It doesn't seem like it's perked up like the other ones did. I guess we'll see what happens. Hopefully it makes it. This one looks all right. And this one looks all right. Yeah, I took a pretty decent little chunk out of that spoils pile this trip. I would have liked to have gotten it all moved out of here and moved a little, dirt work on this shelf back some, but didn't get to it. Like usual, not enough time to get everything done on my list. Let's go to the building real quick. They're in the building and made pretty good headway on the stairs. It's gonna look real nice when I get it finished out. Just have toe boards and steps to do now. We'll put that dark brown caulking there. It's gonna look real good. Get it all buttoned up. Very unique riverbed gravel stone pieces from here on the property, or around the property anyway. And I got 2 coats of clear coat on my shelves that were already in the fossilized limestone. So now I need to grout this and caulk around those, and I can put a sealer on it. Well, that about sums it up for the trip. Guess I'll be having about a 13-14 hour drive home. Hopefully I don't have any trailer drama. See you on the next one.